now go through the reality renovation, reassessing the actual and organizing the priority situation. Because of this, each must think. Everything ever done in the matter of a blink. Concentrate entirely on seeing things poly-dimensional and surmise from what is observed the things you consider quite intentional. Stop immediately if you cite something you are not proud you do. We're affording you the opportunity to shed that and start anew. This too is something that you already know. The question isn't right or wrong, but do you believe it's so? Each and every entity determine their own actuality. We're just using the power invested to elevate actual reality. Your entire spirit has been and will be in suspended animation. You are now dealing with Alpha Omega affiliation. You are the only one that has the actual authority of placing what you feel as real in a pro or con category. You do realize that it is up to your own discretion on what you deem as being true and what will warrant your objection. Since the beginning of time, supreme messages revealed a possible fate. Instead of concentrating on what was said, the inspired one you would imitate. Yes, time is experiencing the changing of the guard. A message given long ago. Remember? Just think hard. Time is expired for those pursuing what might be right. Get what may be or what could be altogether out of mental sight. What you thought of as first, now think of as last. Things about you that you see as bad, self-destruct those things and do it fast. When the individual mentality realizes exactly what you are hearing, the entire spirit should illuminate the characteristic God-fearing. No need attempting to comprehend our specific identification. Just one stray thought near the right track could totally disintegrate the wildest imagination. For those still interpreting separatism out of the holy book, this too is the final chance to honestly take a serious look. Among the masses, some still see change through physical revolution. There has long since been a plan, yes, and quite a perfect solution. Although the words spoken here will be subjected to stringent examination, they will even be witnessed going through attempted elimination. But any single syllable heard in this entire proclamation will in itself deliver the mentality through the reality renovation.